What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing, tutorial, and review of the Logitech Media K830 Illuminated wireless keyboard. Now, the K830 is advertised as a media keyboard for your connected TV, but also works great with Windows, Chrome OS, Mac, and Android. For reference, I'm using the K830 with my Google Pixelbook Go and my Google Pixel 5. Highlights of the K830 include wireless connectivity, backlit keys, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Now, if you're looking to create a modern setup that promotes good posture, you can pair the K830 with your laptop and the new Laxi laptop stand found on the Amazon storefront. As always, I only feature products or services I buy or like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. You can also support the podcast by downloading the Anchor app and making a small monthly donation on that platform. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the more detailed video and YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. The K830 comes in between $80 and $100. Contents include the K830 keyboard, USB extender cable, micro USB charging cable, unifying receiver, and product information. The unifying receiver serves as a wireless alternative to connecting the K830 via Bluetooth and can be set up to connect several Logitech devices at once. The USB extender cable allows the unifying receiver to be placed further away from devices that may cause interference. If you're using a computer without USB-A ports, a USB-A to USB-C adapter or OTG cable will be necessary to use the unifying receiver or USB extender cable. So let's talk design elements. Although the K830 is composed primarily of plastic, it has good weight to it. This keyboard has a modern appearance with aluminum accents, black keys featuring white and orange accents, and Logitech branding. A micro USB charging port and on-off switch can be found on the top right of the keyboard. A battery indicator and automatic light sensor are located above a touchpad with left and right mouse click buttons. The top row of the K830 also features function and hotkeys. A nice addition of the K830 is a left mouse click at the top left of the keyboard. This allows the user to hold the keyboard comfortably and securely while optimizing input use. So let's talk Bluetooth pairing. To start pairing mode, press and hold function and delete. Pairing mode is active when the battery indicator flashes green. Next, we can look for the K830 in our Bluetooth settings. Now, this Bluetooth device is unlike many others. You actually have to enter a passkey using the K830. So we're going to enter this right now. And then press enter. And you can see that's going to allow the keyboard to pair to our other device. Once paired, the K830 has a range of 33 feet. Pairing is reliable with Android and Chrome OS, and the keyboard can be paired while other devices are paired simultaneously. The K830's Bluetooth connection is stable as I haven't had any disconnections. However, when the keyboard failed to pair automatically or lag input was apparent, I cycled the K830's power on and off. In these situations, the K830 automatically connected with my device again, and these problems were solved. Next, we have the keyboard keys, which feature good travel and work well in general. Keyboard customization can be done on Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS. Currently, Chrome OS is most limited in customization, Mac is slightly better, and Windows is most optimal. That being said, when it comes to Chrome OS, some key commands align with function key details and some don't. This means you'll have to either learn what mislabeled keys actually do or find some keys useless. As previously mentioned, the K830 features backlit keys. The brightness is adjusted on the keyboard itself with a button and has 3 settings, which include off, low, and bright. This lighting is automatically adjusted by the light sensor, which optimizes use in varying light conditions and also conserves battery. Finally, we have the mouse pad and click buttons. The mouse pad can be used for pointing with one finger or scrolling with two fingers. For me, the pointer speed seems slow on Chrome OS but perfect on Android. The left and right click buttons work great on both of my devices. Lastly, we have battery performance and charging. The K830 battery is rated at approximately 1 year of use with the backlight off and 10 days use with backlight on, with about 2 hours of daily use in both situations. When the battery is low, the battery indicator changes to red. Charging the K830 is done by plugging in the supplied micro USB cable. The battery indicator pulsates green to indicate charging. So final thoughts. Now when it comes to Chrome OS, customization potential for the K830 is limited due to the lack of support for it on Chrome OS. Also for this price, $88 to $100, I would have liked to see folding keyboard legs. That way you can adjust the angle of the keyboard on a flat surface. However, if you're looking for a wireless keyboard with backlit keys and a touchpad, the K830 does a good job. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel and podcast. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support the content is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You